and I will post it in the channel. So as many as other ones want, they can come from YouTube. Yeah. Rizwan, salam alaikum. Welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. We are live. Yeah. We are live. So if you
Yeah,
can give me, anyone
yeah.
can give.
I'll mute the channel then. No worries on my side. Yeah, no worries.
Okay. Anyone can give me the YouTube link. Possible? Alam, welcome as well. And any channels that you come from, you can put the YouTube link. Yeah. You see 12 people, somebody's trying to come in but can't get in. Yeah. So we need the YouTube link. Anyone can give me the YouTube link? I'll view on YouTube. Let me try that. So we need the YouTube link. Anyone can give me the YouTube link? Okay, I think I got the YouTube link by myself. So let me put it for everybody here first. Oops. Okay. I think YouTube link is there. Who else was there? Well, okay. Sorry about this. Usually Nishant Pai or Ahmad, somebody is here as well. Then it makes life easy for me. I'm an old man, technology stuffs, yeah. But anyway, we are in our own room. We don't have to pay anybody by the hour for talking, staying. We can do what we like, no problem. We don't have to market it to anybody or prove anything to anybody, yeah. So we are comfortable. And also, though anyone who wants their mic on, tell me, I will put it on. You can talk as well. It's not like you're all muted or anything. No? You can all talk as well. You can ask questions because it is for me and also it's for all of you as well. Yeah. To see if I have any issues market wise or whatever. Yeah. Okay. So do shout me on that as well. So I am on our here. This takes a while, all these YouTube links and everything. Oops. Oh, okay. Main thing is where I put it. I'm not expecting a call, so. One second. Hello? रूपक भाई कैसा ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक हाँ वेडनेसडे तो आज सुबह ने वाइफ आज वेडनेसडे हाँ 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 जो हम दोपहर को कर सके तो ठीक है ना हाँ ठीक है 11:30 चलेगा ठीक है ओके ओके थैंक यू बाय बाय Sorry about that, folks. Yeah, I had to answer that call. But it was regarding my music lesson. Yeah, so in 2 hours' time, I'm going to have a music lesson. Cool. Okay, so everybody can hear me. Okay, other people are coming from live to YouTube and everything now. Everyone is quiet. Anyone can say anything? Oh, we will do Nifty. We will do Nifty. We're going to go through the list, yeah? We're going to go through the list, yeah? So, if one person can read the... Okay, Danish, can you hear me? Okay. If one or two templates, anyone can keep an eye on the comments, then it will make life easy for all of us, yeah? Kuachi Mahama, Nekaro Bawani, Muwakapo. Welcome from Ghana.
Yes, please.
Alafiani, yeah? Say thank you to Joe.
Thank you.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So, okay, guys, shall we start? I'm ready when you are. Someone, we gave the YouTube links, so I think I'll just paste the YouTube link here as well. If you can give it to any of your friends and everybody as well, they can come through there. Yeah, put it in any places you can, but I suppose as well, unless many places might not even let you put it in, yeah? Might give you a ban or something. Sanjeev, welcome. Okay, so shall we start? I'm ready when you are. Okay, let's start. Okay, first culprit, Wall Street, yeah, S&P 500. Um, those who are templars and who are in Discord, because I put my live trades there as well when I take them, as I take them, yeah, from early mornings and whatever. Um, the S&P 500 was about 12 points in profit. It's still running. I haven't closed it. DAX was about 40, 50 points in profit. I haven't closed it. It's still running, yeah. But when I say for people who don't trade futures or S&P or something like that, when you say an instrument, it's moved only 6 points, or I've taken profits with 3 points, and all the forex traders start to laugh and, oh, I can make 50 pips and 80 pips and whatever. But it's bang for buck in that 3 points in S&P, one contract, because in futures you cannot do half contracts, so 0.1 and that. One contract, E-mini, gives $50. A 0.25 move is called a tick. It gives you $12.50, yeah? So if you make 3 S&P points, which is not difficult to make, you can make it quite easily, yeah? And lose it easily as well. It is $150. So if you can consistently take from just S&P 3 points daily, you will get enough to pay for your life and keeping every month, your mortgage and everything. Yeah, you'll be happy, and you can do 3 and spend the rest of the time studying and whatever. But it was 12 points in profit. Yeah, so that's quite a lot of money. DAX was 50, and it's in euros, 50 euros. So say even if you just count as 50, that's like around $2,000. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, so when you don't try and compare, indexes are indexes, currencies are different, everything is different. You need to learn the instruments. Yeah, fight welcome as well. Okay, S&P, these are the daily numbers. Yeah, and in the daily numbers, as soon as you get them, you need to put the middle line. Yeah, and my God, even with my bad eyes, this line looks bad. We need a thicker pen. Yeah, put a middle line. Today is without going into any much revealing secrets, basically proprietary stuff. S1 day, it can have an inversion, but today you're looking for a pop and a drop. Okay, and even if it drops, it
Ashok,
doesn't have
we
to
are
keep on.
unable to see
Yeah?
the screen.
Who told me that?
It's me, Ashok.
Thank you, Ashok. You are the only one who is awake. I am sleeping. Everyone else is sleeping. I honestly knew that I've done something. I've not done something. Yeah. Thank you. It might help. Let us start again. It's
Thank you.
called old age. Yeah. You can even,
Thank you.
if you have Dr. Sunil here, he can claim I've got dementia. Yeah. Okay. Let's put our screen. Let's, okay. Now you can see the screen. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with S&P. So first thing we do is, when you see these numbers, for now, those who don't know how to use them, just put a line in the middle. Yeah. Those become like magnets as they fall, or up as targets as well, from top and bottom. And today, without, like I said, revealing too much, is what I call as S1 day. Yeah, S1 day. And today it can have inversions, but because of the clock, American, you cannot align properly. It takes 2 weeks for alignment. Yeah, but it works. It works. It will align soon better as well. But we can use the bias. So today you're looking for a pop and drop. But the drop, even if it makes a drop, it doesn't have to stick. Yeah, it can already at the end of the day try to come up again. Yeah, but today you want to look at like not total sell the rallies, but look to sell a pop. Okay, because these areas here, this 4509, this band here, it is heavy resistance as well. Okay, and it has done the pop that it needs to do a pullback at least, and the pullback will give you a good enough thing as well. But I wouldn't advise anyone to be buying around here. Yeah, okay, is that clear? Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Simple,
So
easy.
this upper two levels are
Yes.
defined as a resistance.
No, don't even think of them as support or resistance. You can give it any label you like. Yeah, you can call it what you like, but this is 35 years of work, not found in books, and it is with GAN and all the other things included. But it's 99.9% GAN. Okay, other things are whatever in that old head came in that during that 35-year journey. Yeah, but think of them now as just like a threshold. Okay, don't say support or resistance. Think of it as thresholds. Okay, thresholds. But what I will do is after this live stream, you have got, obviously you came from Prabha and everywhere, so you got my direct message thing anyway, my at Royal Trader 786. Yeah, so send me a message and just say daily levels, and what I will do is hopefully those who want, or if even if not many come, depending on your circumstance, I will arrange like even a one-to-one or a group session of those who want, and I will show you how to use the daily levels and a lot more in it as well. Yeah, does that help? But for now, to see the magic, just put the lines as they are on your chart, and like I told you, draw the lines in the middle and just watch the action and reactions there. Yeah, does that help? Everyone going to
Yes.
drop? Huh?
Yes.
So for now, just screen watch it and see, and you will see what happens. Yeah, how they work. But then I'll show you how to use them as well. And if there is like, even if it's one person say, "Oh, I can't get to it because I'm at work," we will do it. When you are free and I'm free, I don't mind. We will find time. I'll show you how to do it. Okay? Is that fair?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So basically, if you ask, you get. If you don't ask, you don't get. Yeah. Okay. Dow, what happens in S&P will happen in the Dow. Yeah, same situation. Main thing, but also make sure when I'm giving you the numbers, all of them are the same. Yeah? And another thing of interest, I'll tell you, well, it is called interest as well. In the S&P 500, if you look at, I was talking to Larry in the morning, because me and him talk every day. He told me as well, while we were discussing things, the open interest in S&P 500 is dropping. Yeah, is dropped and dropping. So what does that tell you? If the market is going up and the open interest is dropping, that means this pop-ups you are getting is what is called as a short covering rally. So it has to give you a market retracement or even a change in trend or whatever, or then up or whatever we'll see then. But you are looking for a drop. Clear? Because it's just like you go in a restaurant and you sit down at the table, but there's no food in the kitchen. Yeah. So that is called short covering, and open interest is dropping. Yeah. CL, easy to understand?
Yeah.
Easy, yeah? Okay. And also, please, in these uncertain times, war, risk, and all these uncertainties, first thing you must do as a trader is what? Write it or shout it or whatever. What you should do? In crazy markets, war situations, what must you do as a trader? What is the first thing or one thing that you must do first? Whoops. Everyone going quiet. Perfect.
Avoid
Yagnik?
trade.
No. Avoid is fine. Okay, you can stay out. If in doubt, stay out is fine, because no position is a position in itself. But risk management, money management, that's all perfect. But first thing is cut the number of positions and the number of trades. Trading, over trading as well in the same line. Over trading is not the size of trades that you take. Yeah, of course it is. But secondly, and most importantly, is the number and the frequency of trades you take. Yeah. Okay. So always keep that in mind. Okay. So NASDAQ, what is it doing? Same thing. Look, NASDAQ is same as well. It's for us. Look for sell. Yeah. Now you can use it. You can play it as an intraday trader or even a swing trader as well. Can you see as well? We are in a range. You can even call it a letter F as well. Yeah. Draw a line in the middle as well. And look where the line comes in the middle there. Can you see? And those ones who are position traders as well, they can look to take a sell in this one here where we are or whatever. First position, very small. And then if it reaches like C2 area as a pop or whatever or before, then you can do the second one and then leave it. And you are not averaging a position, okay? When the second one comes to either the middle or your first entry, the second one you bank it. Then the first one you run. So if the first one comes back to 2, you can add it again. So while you are holding, you are making it pay. Make you understand now? This is what I call it as a ladder. Ladder trading. And sometimes for fun, I call it, from the movie Karate Kid, I call it Miyagi-san. Wax on, wax off. Take on, take off. Take on, take off. Yeah? Okay? This is just my fun, silly ways of, giving ideas and saying things. Yeah. Okay. Comments I'm trying to read at the same time as well. Hedge. No, Suresh. A hedge without an edge will always take a penalty from you. Hedging is like a kamikaze move. Think of it like that. It will take a penalty from you. If you don't work out your hedge properly, one will come in profit, the other one will lose. Then sooner or later, one will take a penalty from you. It's better not ride out with pain rather than keep on hedging. If you keep on hedging without going through the studies and its maths of it and the logics of it, hedging should be the last move. Yeah. But instead of hedging, similar is, say your view is market, overall view is market to go up. Yeah. So you're basically long, but you can use pullbacks as sells. Yeah. Those are not hedged. That is like intraday or few days holding trade sell. Yeah. But if your long is at 2, I'm just giving numbers, not saying 2 lots. I'm just putting 2 as a number. Then your sell should be, say we met this 3. Yeah. Is 3. Yeah. Your hedge should be like 1/3 of that size. So it should be 1. Okay. So if you put 3 and 3, then you are hedged. But if you're 3 long, which is your main view, and you are 1 short, then you are fine. But you're not hedged. You're semi-hedged. Yeah. Yes. Hedging means you make your broker Broker very happy. Broker very happy, and you are his best customer, yeah. And then he takes all your money and goes as well. Salam Sunil bhai, welcome. I hope you brought the ambulance with the male if anyone needs a kiss of life, yeah. Joking. This is a sell as well, yeah. And make sure I give you all the numbers, huh? Okay. Nifty 50, all the Nifty members, yeah. Okay. Neck on the line. Neck on the line. And I'm just going to write it very quickly. STR. What does that mean? Keep size small. Okay. So if it pops, you are going to sell. We're going to go down much lower. Huh? We're going to go down much lower. This is my neck on the line. Mohammed, Junaid, welcome. Mohammed, beta, welcome. Is that absolutely clear? Anyone can understand? What did I just say on Nifty, yeah? And obviously, I'm a human being. I can be wrong as well. But that's my view. I'm putting my neck on the line. And if I'm absolutely wrong, tell me I've got this one. I'll just, or I'll do that to you if you didn't listen to me. Only joking, yeah? Okay. So, is that clear? Everyone's asking a view on Nifty. This is absolutely straight. Absolutely. Sell the rallies. That's it. Simple as that. Keep your size small as well. Because you ain't seen everything yet. It's going to go, when it loses it, it's going to lose it nice and good style. Okay? Yeah. Yep. Making sure 100% for you guys. Yup, and yup. Yup, and yup. Okay? Hanji, Abhijit, small. Remember one thing, small and steady. In the market, you have to think of it like a business. Otherwise, you are a gambler. If you're trying to take as much money from the market and retire in 1 week or 1 month or 1 year, you're not treating it like a business. You must treat it like a business, a job. The other mentality is a gambler's mentality. You don't want to get into a gambler. There's a very, very thin line between trading and gambling. Yeah? Slow and steady, you will stay in the business a longer time and make a lot more money. Okay? The other one is rags or riches. And I've seen in my 35 years at this game full time, 30%, I've seen people go from heroes to zeros. I've seen people, for example, I can even give you a name because, I'm talking of, say, 20 years ago. There's a guy called Gareth here in UK trading the DAB at £1,000 a point. And he kept on adding and adding when we were all screaming to him, sell, sell, sell. In one day, he lost over £250,000. Totally wiped out, wife gone, house gone, everything gone. Another gentleman say about 9 years ago, Pakistan, Karachi. And they're goldsmiths, and his gold trades, we kept on screaming at the time of Japanese tsunami and all that, just prior to that, at Japanese tsunami as well. Lost around nearly, I think it was around $350,000 or $400,000. So please, doesn't matter how much money you have. If you cannot, put it this way, everyone wants to trade big. If you cannot trade small, you cannot trade big. You have to start small and grow it in company. But if you start with big, you can definitely make it small. Believe you me. Yeah. Hope that makes sense for everybody. Zara, welcome. Simplicity. Okay. Yeah. Somebody keep reading the comments and shout at me or whatever. DAX is sell. Yeah. I sold in the morning. I think 14546. Yeah. 14546. Brain going. Yeah. 14546. Yeah. It is 100 points in profit. It's 100 points in profit in DAX. Yeah.
And at what level you have sold?
14546. Here. 14546. Here. 14546. And it is 14450 now. Yeah. So near enough 100 points in it. And that was at, oh my God, where are you? Boom. 7:08 in the morning. Control C. You can see timestamp and everything. Yeah. But even if you take 20 points or 30 points in the DAX, it's a very fast mover. It's enough. You put a rough minimum target as to what you want for the day or the market is giving you, and that. But you can see it's time stamped, and all the Templars who are there, Jackson, I mean, Ahmed, everybody, Pearl, they all know this. They all know this. So maybe it might be an idea that many of you, if you want to try and get as much from your trading, or I don't know, be with me, but one condition, if you are with me, you have to behave like a family. We are like a family. I'm not collecting or touting people from any channels or anywhere. If you come and be with us, then you have to talk with us, and like we are here now, and interaction two-way, and that way every trade that I personally take, I post it in real time, not after the event. And when I close it, I update it as well. So you do get that benefit. And you can pay me in cups of tea, yeah? Cups of masala chai and coffee. That's it. Okay?
So one more thing, like every day this level will get changed. MOB,
You
LOC,
can
F1,
no,
F2, C1, C2.
okay. No, I do them every day, but the levels will all numbers never die, yeah? The levels will stay for at least 3 days, okay?
Okay.
But I do change them little slightly to update for every day, yeah? And many times, like I'll say, which one do you want? And if it's not there, I'll do it and give it to you, yeah? So, fine. Maybe somebody can put I don't know, maybe I can do it. I don't know, I'll put but like I said, if you come in the Discord, you must come with your real name, yeah? Because we don't want anyone with Apple 123 and Oppo 123 and Prince 90 girl or whatever. No, what your parents gave you, your God-given name, come with that, and stay active and talk and ask, and that way you will not miss anything. You'll not miss anything. Otherwise, Dr. Sunil will give you a clinical castration. You will not even feel the pain, and he will not even use anesthetic. His scalpel is gone. Yeah.
So one more thing I want to know, like upper level of before, like above MOB, in between C1, C2, or MOB, and between C1,
What you do
you have
is,
drawn the line.
look.
So
What I said is, when you see these numbers, make sure you get all of the numbers C2, C1, MOB till as it is showing here. When you see this, mark all these lines on your chart, yeah. And between C2 and C1, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. Yeah. Okay. Because these,
yes,
if you are from there, they become like a falling target. It passes through that, comes to MOB. Say for example, if it passes through the MOB, this one starts to magnetize. If it breaks, then it comes to this. Okay, so that is why the middle line is important. Okay,
Okay.
and say if
And
it
what
pings up.
about like F1, F2? It's for bi-level or same like this?
So no, it can keep going. It can break the F1, F2, and everything, but if it's going, then you need F1 or F2 to stop it. Yeah, like you can think of it even like a support. Yeah, like a threshold.
Okay.
Yeah, and there if it comes, breaks it and comes and retests it, then you need to see does it take it up. But what we will do is who is talking? Because shout your name. I can't read the name.
Ashok
My
Kumar.
eyes.
Ashok Kumar.
Okay. Ashok, what we'll do is this daily levels. Like I said, send me a message, and I will do a session on how to use the daily levels. Yeah, and a lot more in it as well. And then
Okay.
you'll be able to read and do the daily levels every day, how to trade it properly. Okay. For
Okay.
now, just 1-2 days, just mark the lines so you see what is happening. Screen watching, yeah,
Yes.
just screen watching. But one thing, remember, I'll tell you while we're doing it. MOB, you have to be very careful. Okay,
Okay.
in these numbers, when it comes to MOB, always just keep, for now, all of you keep in mind, if it's above the MOB, it has got positive pressure. If it's below the MOB and stays below the MOB, it's got negative pressure. Yeah. So you can think, I even give you the name, it's called make or break. Okay. Make or break. Yeah. So it is very important. Okay. So for now, just keep that in mind. Yeah. Okay. So DAX is done. FTSE is, I find it boring. Yeah, it biases down as well. Yeah. Frenchy, I don't think many trade it here, so we won't look at it. Okay, oil. This is policeman area. Oil again, even though everyone is saying 130, 150, and 200, and all this on the news on Ukraine, all this is going to fizzle out soon. So look to sell the rallies. And today is Wednesday, yeah? Today is Wednesday. So please keep in mind we have oil inventories today, yeah? At 3:30 UK time, so it is 10:30 a.m. Eastern, yeah? But look to sell the rallies and use size small. Because this oil is still, even though everyone's thinking it's very volatile, it's nothing. When oil gets volatile, you will start seeing it, if you look in the past, you will see like Iraq war, Libya bombing in February, a time or March it was, or whatever. Brent and this one were moving 35 and 40 and $50 in a day. Huh? And when you had Hurricane Katrina as well, that is when it reached $100, and JP Morgan was buying it at that area. Huh? Okay. They were saying they were buying it, but this is news. When you hear on the news, for example, that JP Morgan is buying, Goldman Sachs is buying or selling on the other end. But for example, if they're saying that JP Morgan is buying oil at 100, what they forget to tell you is in the futures, if you have a sell position, you can only close it by putting in a buy to close it. Yeah. So they are just coming out and taking the profit at 100. And the media is saying JP Morgan is buying, and those people all jumping with buys when JP Morgan is selling out, is taking his profit. Did you understand that at all, everybody?
Yes, sir.
CL, do you ever cut losses? Okay. If the reasons I went in a trade don't exist, then I should not be in that trade. Is that simple enough? If the reasons, for example, I went in this trade, say I want to buy, and I know that my reasons don't exist, then I shouldn't be in that trade, yeah? But if my plan and everything, what I've done, the study is right and intact, then I will take the pain for gain and wait for payday. Yeah, I will not panic out of it or anything like that. And like I said, even in the ladder, you don't just keep adding every $1 to $2. You need to know the normal, expanded, and contracted range of a market. You can even call it, I don't know, in your technical terms, you can say average true range. Is it above average true range, below to average true range, whatever? Yeah. So you don't just, you need to know the volatility of the instrument. I mean, say S&P 500 is moving like 80, 100 handles in a day. If you keep adding every 3 points, you're going to be knocked out before you blink out. If you put a stop every 3 points, you're going to get knocked out. Yeah. You need to take that in account. And you can only take that in account by cutting size and number of position. Yeah. Clear? Okay. So what does that? Brent will do the same. Okay. This is the area I call as the policeman. Yeah. We will do that as well. PM, policeman. Yeah. So if it pops up around here, you start to watch with your big eyes what is happening. And then maybe look for a retrace. All those people who look for channel business, there's your channel business. Okay, and there's your middle line. You can even throw in a pitchfork in there if you wanted, yeah? Okay, Goldilocks. Once again, this is becoming silly, silly in the aspect that when was the First World War? 1904 to 1908. Yeah. When was the Second World War? 1914 to 1918. This is, yeah. Sorry, this is the First War. Second, this is the Boer War. Sorry, this is the First War. So the Second World War is 1929-35, and the war is 1945 war end. Yeah, 39-45. Yeah. Keep those numbers in mind. Look for sell rally lower, and at the bottom here, you need to watch this band here. But say we just expand it a little bit. 1908 to say 1900, yeah. If it goes like that and comes here, this area here, this is your sweet spot to see if you can take a small even as a pullback long buy trade very quickly, yeah. Okay, but make sure you get your stop to even and lock in a bit of profit, and maybe it will give you a second chance at it. So comes down from here, take your sell, take your profit. If it stops here, this 1908 area, 1900 area, for example, then go up 1914, 18, this World War numbers, second bite, and if it comes here again, so keep doing that, because in reality it's going nowhere at the moment. Okay, even though it looks like we're getting rallies and all that, but we're not getting that much. Okay, it is in reality it is going sideways. Yeah, everybody okay? Because I know most people, whether you are trading in the US gold, I call it US gold, the futures market, or spot gold on forex brokers, or you are trading in your MCX and that. Yeah, okay. And I keep on telling you, except for one or two guys, Zahrat and I think Shana was another one, who gave me a listing of the Indian markets they look at. The rest of you send me a thing because you are in India, most of you, and I will put that on a watch list and give that to you daily as well. Yeah. ABCD, butterflies, butterfly, Naveen, you're a Templar. You have to call it as mariposa. Mariposa in Spanish means butterfly. And if you are from our brother Reza, and also I think in Hindu Urdu is the same name, na? Butterfly is called as parvane, na? Parvane. But all in the market is STC, square, triangle, circles. Silver again, same story as gold, little bit subdued, but okay. But all you need to remember is square of 5. We are at 25 area. Pop and drops, but slow. Euro, nothing doing at the moment. Need to wait, yeah. If this is dropping, USD CHF should be going up like I taught you people, yeah. And yes, it's going up. So wait until this policeman area comes, then you can do a roll reversal, yeah. GBP USD, sell the rallies thing again as well at the moment, yeah, but it's going sideways. MOB is not breaking. AUD USD, I think Fike asked me in the morning, yeah. You're coming to C1 and C2, keep that area in mind, might do a spike and then a down. C2, C1, okay. TV same as Australian, yeah. Abhijit Russell, Matt Russell is same as Nasdaq near enough, huh? Euro JP, okay. Even though the JPs are moving crazy at the moment, for example, but all of a sudden it's the trademark of Euro JP, GBP yen. All of a sudden, and USD JP will lose it, and then it just keeps on going down. Also, one thing remember, those of you who trade stocks and coming into Forex or whatever, say for example, Euro JP or whatever you are trading, as the JP is either going up or down, the other country's currency, Euro for example, or the dollar or whatever pair you are looking at, that country is not going to say, we don't care, let it go to zero, yeah? It's going to put up a fight. The governments, the banks, economies, they're going to put. So that is why in currencies, for example, you don't get just this kind of move going up, for example, or coming down, 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 down. You always get a zigzaggy move, yeah? Because the country is like war between two countries, yeah? So that is your Forex trading. That's your Forex traders. When you are trading indexes or shares, yes, it can keep on going up like that because that is a different thing. See, the basic, absolutely basic thing, but basic yet so apart. So if you're trading, say, for example, stocks or index or commodities, you can keep getting gold going up, 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 up forever. But in currencies, you don't get that kind of thing in trending. So you need to watch that as well. Huh? Okay, rounding. You're getting a transition. Okay, it's a sell. To be honest with you, I'm already in a sell in that one. USD JP, same thing again. All the JPs, like we said, looking for a rounding on them. AUD JP is popping up, same as AUD USD. Need to watch. Okay. USD Cad is stuck between this area 1.27 and here. So it's doing nothing. Is there any data coming out today? No. No. Fake, you welcome anytime. Just shout me, Euro GBP looking down, but not having any move. I don't think many trade here, Euro GBP, yeah? Okay, see, AUD, somebody asked me about F2. It's breaking that now. We need it to keep going down until it does a V-shaped pattern, then you can buy it up. But at the moment, you don't do anything. You need it to base out. Seal either a top in or a bottom in, yeah? Okay? I think Ashok asked me before. CHF still popping up, okay. Okay, see, MOB held it kind of thing. So you need to watch it. So I expect everyone to send me a list of what currencies trade, what they trade. Then, inshallah, God willing, within the next 2 days, I will get the perfection list of it, and we can spend more time on that. And like, look, when you come here, it's not like a syllabus. Just do the daily levels, market, and go away. I try and in between try and fit little things that as they happen or I remember to give you that might help you. Yeah. So basically, you come here not only get the daily levels and view and my stupid jokes and things, but you also get a little bit of Wanakam, Wanakam Prabha, Magalichi, Euro NZD. Look again below F1. Need to watch that as well. Yeah. But look what we are saying. Above MOB is bullish. We can't break the MOB, and then the pressure we say is down. And look what it did. Doom till F1. Can you see? C2, and we said make a line in the middle. Look, where are we? Line in the middle. So breaks that, we need to watch the C2. If it breaks that, then until it seals a V shape, then you can take a sell. Otherwise, doing nothing, okay? But we will do that in detail, okay? No. No, nothing. Look, MOB didn't crack all the way down below F2. This is quite a good pair to trade as well, but it does move fast as well. Huh? When it moves, it moves. So wait until it seals, and then you can take a long in it, but be prepared that it can move. It can move GBP AUD. Huh? And always any trade before you take a look at the spread, how much your broker is charging you. If the spread is not worth it, then don't do it. In fact, you should have a diary and you should write down at a minimum how much margin each instrument takes as you are trading it. Okay. Wanakam, Prabha. I'll put your voice on, Prabha.
Hello. Uncle, good afternoon. Just now,
Wanakam. How are you, Maglichi? Yeah?
Thanks, Uncle.
Oh, I thought you were going to give me $50. You know, my God, you know, you're clever. You know, today I have not made $50, you know, Prabha.
Uncle.
Since morning, I've been up since, I think, 6 o'clock, not even $50 today.
Uncle,
Everyone
you
is saying,
I
my
think your
God,
voice is breaking, or
who, my voice?
No, it's
yeah,
clear.
seems.
No, my
No,
broadband,
Ashok Kumar, please check your side. Ashok is
I
very
think
clear.
it might be your India internet. My connection, I think, Prabha will tell you, is very, very fast,
Might be,
you know?
might be. That can be.
Yeah.
Yes, please check your side.
VIX, look at the pop in it. If it comes around 26, 25, it can do massive pops and then down. Huh? So you can look to sell a bit.
So I was telling the members in the group, they're asking for daily trades. When there is no trade, we usually just sit back and we wait for the
Ah,
opportunity.
Prabha,
Yes,
you've seen me. I always said two things. It is better to miss a good trade than jump into one without thinking. Yeah,
excellent.
that is changing the market. Second one is buy and sell is 99% of all traders, but that 0.01%, the most important one is one that is called flat and no position.
Yes, sir.
That teaches you discipline and it teaches you when to be in the market and when not to be in the market.
Exactly, exactly.
Flat is a position. You see, for most traders, the only thing they cannot do is do nothing. They must do
Yes.
something. You must do nothing at times, you know.
The things there
And
are.
that doing
Yes, yes, sir. Please continue.
and that doing nothing at time is the most important thing. That saves you.
Yes, yes, yes. They are actually very new and they are got used to. I mean, trading intraday options. I told them several times in a day it's not that easy to make money, and they keep asking me to do
Options.
it.
Oof, no. No option is not everyone's cup
Yes,
of tea.
like
And
every time I see the message, I laugh here and I keep explaining them. It's not that
most
easy, man.
option traders lose, in the run. I am,
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
as far as I know, talking with Dari, Jeff, everybody. Yeah, so and to be honest, I know about options, but I never got my head around it. I didn't trade the futures. That's it. It's perfect.
yes, yes, sir. That's good actually. Which is very,
Yeah,
very much better than options.
yeah. And saying that, when I read those things, I made up my mind last night when I came from the hospital. I think it was around maybe 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. I posted in your channel about that. Those who are either new or even veterans or whatever, if they want to learn from the basics,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
but basics not as like in books, the things support and resistance. Basics my way,
Yes, yes.
which is okay. The word basic is wrong in that to learn my way kind of thing or whatever. Even though we call it basic, even those little things which are most basic are so advanced that they have never got around to it. If they want to learn that way, I've got made it like a list. A lot of brothers and sisters have said they want to do it.
Yes,
But
yes, sir.
that class, Prabha, what I'm going to do is by the end of today, I will close that membership. So we will
Okay,
have
okay.
a set number of people there, and they are the only ones who will come to the class,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and they have to attend. If they
Okay.
keep on missing, they will be deleted, not coming back again.
Yes,
And
sir.
I
Exactly.
will do it hopefully as I give them the work and the task to do, each one individually as well, because I will listen to everyone,
Yes,
what
sir.
the ins and outs are not on each one, the progress, and then I will mark them. And then this basic learning will go on for even 1 year. Doesn't matter.
Exactly. We need those kind of students only. Those who attend, those who
Ah,
work
that's
hard.
why I said I will leave it for one day till. And what I've said is probably if you can put like a thing as well that if they can send a message to me at Royal Trader, and later when you are free, probably if you can make me
Sure, sure.
a folder on Telegram, so we put only the students, for the class in
Okay.
that folder. They are the only ones who are going to be coming into the class.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes.
Because we are not after to give it to all the public, but and from that, probably if you agree, those who work very hard, we will open another door.
Sure, sure, sure.
I've decided this is the first door open. They
Yes, sir.
prove it to me, and the tasks they do and everything we say us, then we open a second door. Then we open
Yes,
a
sir.
third door. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. Sure.
So they need to develop patience, and I need to see the results as to what the task because everyone will be different, Prabha.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So I listen to everything, then how the feedback they give me and what they do, then talk to them and one by one, yeah.
Yes, and they've been calling me and
And
they're
every
asking me.
month, Prabha, come with a big stick and have Dr. Sunil with anesthetic as well. We will, if there is say 20, we will divide time for each one as half an hour, and we will
Sure.
have a live session exam on the spot, on the spot, each one by
Nice.
one, half an hour.
Yes, sir.
And if they miss the exam, they don't come back next month. Uh, yeah, so okay, so where are
Yes.
we? USD is okay. Gold currency is dropping. Soybeans going up. Okay, but no one trades soybeans. Okay. Nat gas inventories will be tomorrow. Huh? EIA nat gas. These are the numbers. Make sure I give you all the numbers. Yeah. This is as well this sideways, little pop to drop a bit. Yeah. But remember, it's a monster. Yeah. Little moves, big money. Yeah. Bitcoin, I am short from yesterday as posted in Discord. Yeah? And I'm willing to hold. And it's not a one-day position. I might take partial profits off, but I'm holding. Yeah.
Okay.
And Larry, and us remember, probably we did that webinar.
Okay.
When was it? Last week or so? Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
I mean, somebody asked for Bitcoin until I was there. Somebody, I think Turkish one asked for Bitcoin or something, and I had already looked at it, and me and Larry both I blurted out the number first, and then Larry said the number, and we both, by different way, we ended up at 19,000.
Exactly. Akhil. Actually, I forecasted it 6 months as well, around 18 or
Yeah,
19
so
months.
I just looked at it and I said 19, and
Nice.
he had done his work. He said 19. So I'm going to
Perfect.
I'm going to put my mouth where my money is, and I've taken a short in Bitcoin. I'm willing to hold it.
Nice.
Okay, Litecoins and them will be similar. What you call dancing tune, yeah, but slow, just slow. Ethereum, okay, slow as well. Okay, so now what I will do is coffee. No, wait for coffee. This 228 and above, if coffee goes, then look. Also, keep in mind, coffee, I'm not sure. I'll have to check up, but we are coming into near the end of the month kind of thing. So it will be expiry. So be careful on that on your brokers. But when I do it this way, when I take a trade in coffee, I will tell you when to take the trade in coffee. Don't do anything. Just watch. Just watch. Okay. Okay. These are the daily levels. Daily levels. Cash. Dow. Yeah. US 30. Okay. So this is the issue because most of you are trading the cash indexes with your brokers. So this is the numbers, yeah. But the point move in futures and the point move will be the same, okay? Just the numbers look a bit different. Okay, so that's down. This is SPX or US 500, or you can even call it SP 500 cash daily levels. Okay, so that's all that there now, yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. So guys, any questions, anything, whatever have you? Hello?
What will be the time frame to use this chart?
I would suggest to you use a 30-minute chart. So that way you cut out quite a lot of noise and it is smoother to watch, yeah?
Okay.
It is smoother to watch. I find 30-minute time frame for last 35 years is fine because when you go into smaller ones, you can look in as a zoom very quickly. But if you leave it at 30, it makes life much easier for you. Yeah, makes much easier. But leave it at 30, you will not miss anything. But quickly have a look on H1 and we call it as the universe above and universe below. If you are trading 30-minute chart, quickly look at a 1 hour chart and quickly look at the lower time frame, 15-minute or 5-minute quickly to zoom in, yeah? For final zooming, that's all. But trade the 30-minute chart. Yeah? Okay, so everybody happy with everything now? Everyone gone quiet.
Sunil boy is here. He's here.
Sorry, Prabha, your voice was low.
Uncle, can you hear me now? Is it clear now?
Yeah, much better.
Okay, okay. Dr. Sunil boy, he is also here. I think.
Yeah.
He's mute him.
Sunil Bhai is here. I said, Nick, if anyone doesn't understand or causes any trouble, Sunil Bhai's scalpel is so sharp, he will give you an amputation. You won't even know. It's only
Casper.
when you go out and you say some balls are missing,
Okay, okay.
And Sunil Bhai is very clever. If anyone needs kiss of life, he's brought a male male nurse. Anybody wants one? Feel free. Feel free. Oh God. Okay, so guys, I hope you got enough to keep you in mischief all day. And anything, just give me a shout as well, and obviously Prabha as well. And for the class, if you want, like I said, you go. Prabha is going to put a little note there as well. You can send me a shout with just say you want to join class, yeah. And later we'll make a folder and put all of you in one folder so I can keep. Don't send to wrong person to come in a class or something, yeah.
Okay.
So that way, that class will be only for you guys who asked today till I don't know, say not even end of. We can say like till late afternoon today, yeah. Say another 4 hours. After that, admission closed, class full. Even if it's no one in class, we'll say class full. That's it. And believe me, those who do come to it, it is not going to be for one time. You will be at it as I plan and as we all plan together after the first one for the second one. Me and all of us will make time. We will be there. We will do it. And
Yes,
from
sir.
that, like I said, every month I will give like 1 or 2 sessions only exams, and everyone has to attend. Whether their name is for the exam or not, they have to come because even by listening to what is being told to the other person, you can learn. Yeah,
Yes,
and you
yes.
pass that exam, then we go again. So that way, and like I said, this is the first door. After that, the second door will open. And like in Masonic 3 knocks, the third door is the most important door. You need to reach the third door. That is when Prabha is going to design a label which says Templar. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So everybody hope you are happy with that competition and work and dedication if you want. There you go. Okay, so and also guys, if you can give good, nasty, bad comments, anything you like on YouTube or whatever, but be honest ones, yeah? Be honest ones. Be honest ones. Okay, Prabha. So shall we close this, I think, Prabha?
Yes, uncle.
Yeah,
Thank you, uncle. Thank
because Prabha, just when I started YouTube, my phone rang and I thought it was hospital, but I had to answer the call because it was from my music teacher from Calcutta, yeah.
you. Yes, yes, uncle.
So he said he's going to do the lesson for me at 11:30, and guess what? I have not done my homework. I'm going to get killed today. I'm going to get killed today. Okay,
Enjoy,
guys, then yeah.
enjoy, uncle. Enjoy your session.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
I'm going to any comments? More comments? Welcome, 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 welcome. Joy, welcome, welcome, welcome. Son, welcome, welcome. Okay, so bye everybody. Yeah, and have a good day. And anything like I said, shout,
Take care of
shout,
it.
and scream
Thank you.
helps.
Bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.